That's a beep like. Okay, now we have to add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to help you with the cutting part of it. So see here, this is 1 tablespoon, this is 2 tablespoons. Okay. So I'm going to cut 2 tablespoons.
What do you want?
No, it's okay. Okay, so you want to put, it's messy, so I'll just put it, right? Because else your hands will become sticky otherwise. Yeah. Right. Okay, so 2 tablespoons butter, 1 teaspoon oil. So where is my teaspoon?
Oil is here.
Yeah, my teaspoon is here. Again, this is a little messy, so I will do it, okay? Otherwise your hands will become a little bit oily. When the masala comes, I'll give it to you. So 1 teaspoon oil. Okay. Then it is asking for 1 teaspoon besan. Yeah. Where is the tissue?
I'll get you tissues. I'll do that. I'll get you tissues.
And then we'll add all the masalas in the meantime, okay? So these are all the masalas which I've added here. So I want you, just hold this, make sure you don't drop it, okay? It's a little bit light. Just add it on the side. Yes, there you go. Oh, there's a little bit left. Okay, so we are good here. Where is the pumpkin? Yeah, pizza nahi. Tail water. So we are going to add, you know how to take 1 teaspoon out of that? Okay, do it gently. You want to try? So let her try. Okay, take 1 teaspoon full. Wait. Okay, slowly. Don't use your hand, okay? We are just going to just do it like this. Okay, wait, don't put it yet. I'm going to open it for you. Okay, now gently put it inside. Yes, there you go. Perfect. Okay. That is it. And I have to remove the measuring cup and hit OK. You want to hit OK? Just like OK. Okay. So now it's going to mix all the masalas, oil, butter for 2 minutes.